Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this 2006 Lexus RX330. Might be wondering why I'm filming this. Well, this is probably the cleanest one I've seen in an extremely long time. And that is saying a lot, especially for a New England-based car. No rust on this. 156,000 miles, so higher mileage, but still looks absolutely mint. And plus, you guys seem to like videos of cars that nobody else really does. So, ta-da! I don't know of many videos on these, so let's go ahead and check it out. This one right now listed for $10,995. All right. This thing's mint. I'm gonna get a little bit more air going. Obviously, no backup camera, but your mirror does dip down. And you have all your different low modes. But yeah, let's go ahead and go for a drive. I'm sure I'm gonna get a couple comments like, why is this dude even bothering with this thing? But you know what? When a car is this clean, for a car that I normally see in junkyards now, I have to spotlight them, because you're not gonna get many chances to drive this car in this condition anymore. It's just, they don't exist. At least not in New England, where they've basically been rusted away at this point. Even though this thing's 15 years old, I think it's almost old enough to vote. That's pretty crazy. It still drives really, really well. Obviously, it's a Lexus/Toyota product. They're gonna last forever, and this one has held up really well. Cruises perfectly fine on the highway. Steering is a little lighter than I would like. That's a good amount of dead zone, but at this point I'm nitpicking, so I'll leave it as is. terms of comfort, man, it's awesome. Visibility is great. These seats are super comfortable. Driving position's very relaxed. I can't complain at all. I just can't believe how mint this thing is. This thing's in awesome shape. This thing drives great. If you're looking for a first car or anything like that, you know, just daily driver or anything, I wouldn't say this is a winter beater, because this thing seems like it's never seen snow. It's never seen road salt. Either that or it's been taken care of so well. The fact that there's no rust on this car. I mean, I can't say anything for the underneath components, but based on the exterior and all that, I wouldn't think there's any. It's pretty impressive, guys. It honestly is really, really surprising just how mint this thing is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.